Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into OTRAM's YouTube channel. Realized I've never done a video on setting the timing on a 2F, so we're gonna remedy that today, and let's get into it. Okay, so I've got my timing light, and I've got it hooked up to positive and negative at the battery, and I've got it clamped around my number 1 spark plug lead. Engine is up to operating temperature. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but we're idling around 8:30, 8:40. And I'm gonna put my timing light down here and look in the little window, and I'm right on the timing. I'm gonna disconnect my vacuum advance just to make sure that's not affecting anything, and I'm gonna cap it off. So if you follow the leading edge of your distributor down, and oh great, the wire, the power wire just fell out of the distributor. So let me fix that and we'll be back. Okay, so we've got our power wire back in our distributor. I really don't like the way they do the wiring on these DUI distributors, but we're gonna loosen up the distributor clamp bolt down here, and then we're gonna get our timing light back down there, and then we're just gonna twist the distributor. And there we go. So you can see there's the ball. There's the line. And we want to be on the ball. So right there. And the fun part is snugging this back up without moving that mark. There we go. We're on the ball. I'll plug my advancer back in so we don't forget that. And give it one more look, and we're looking good. So that was setting timing on a 2F. Hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and hype the video. I guess that's the new thing YouTube wants done. And if you're looking for any Land Cruiser repair work, give us a call. We're in Bealeton, Virginia. Thanks for tuning in.